Hi, I'm Jim Gander, Master Plumber and owner of Superior Plumbing in Rochester, Minnesota. Welcome to Plumbing Tips. Today I'm going to talk about the Watco Quicktrim Bathtub Drain Trim Kit. The Quicktrim from Watco is a great, inexpensive way to upgrade your bathtub drain finish. It's ideal for new construction. Most plumbers install chrome tub drains during the rough-in phase of the job, even if they know the job requires special finishes. This is done to save costs because chrome is less expensive than special finishes, and they worry that the tub drain might get damaged by all the junk that's thrown into tubs during construction. So when a homeowner decides to upgrade the drain finish, the contractor has to remove the chrome strainer body and replace it with a strainer body in the desired finish. Replacing a strainer body can be tricky. It's easy to cross-thread the drain, which can result in leaks. The Watco Quicktrim makes it easy to upgrade the drain finish without removing the strainer body. Quicktrim is available in 12 finishes and installs over the strainer body. It installs with an O-ring. The strainer body cover is strong yet thin so it doesn't create a water dam, and it includes a stopper and fits all coarse thread strainer bodies with crossbars. The Quicktrim is available with or without a snap-on, high-flow Innovator faceplate, which has up to twice the overflow capacity of traditional overflows. It's also available with a one-hole overflow faceplate. The Watco Quicktrim is available at any plumbing wholesaler. It's a great way to upgrade your drain finish without removing the chrome strainer body. Watco backs this product with a 5-year limited warranty. Thanks for watching the video. Hope you found it helpful. I'm Jim Gander with Plumbing Tips.